Hey everyone, so you're trying to download an app and it says this device is not compatible with this version? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix that right now. Alright, so first thing, tap and hold on the Play Store icon until you see a little pop-up menu. Tap on App Info to open the settings. Now you should see a bunch of options here. Look for Storage and Cache and tap on that. You'll see two options. First, tap Clear Cache. This just removes temporary files. Okay, now go back to the previous screen and find Force Stop at the top. Tap on that and confirm it. This completely closes the Play Store. Now go back into Storage and Cache again, and this time tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. You'll get a warning saying this will delete app data, files, and settings. Just tap OK to confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your Google account or anything like that. Now, the main reason for the incompatibility is due to the versions, either of your device or the app itself. Go to your settings and scroll down to your System option. Then look for Software Update. Check if any updates are available, and then Update if available. This should solve the problem. Alright, now close out of Settings and open the Play Store again. Search for the app you were trying to download, like PUBG or whatever app was giving you trouble. Try installing it now, and it should work. Clearing that data basically resets the Play Store and fixes compatibility issues. And that's it. Super easy fix for the device is not compatible error.